So, good day. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set up a simple PHP web application, exploit an SQL injection vulnerability, and then secure it using prepared statements. So, let's get started. But before that, gumawa muna ako ng database with username and password. So, punta tayo dito sa code. So, an SQL injection is a serious security vulnerability that occurs when user input is improperly handled, allowing attackers to manipulate a database by injecting malicious SQL code. So, in our vulnerable PHP application, the login form directly inserts user inputs into an SQL query without validation, making it possible for an attacker to enter specially crafted input, such as admin, to bypass authentication. So, lagay natin to and kahit anong password. So, this works because the condition is always true, allowing the attackers to gain access without knowing the actual password. So, to demonstrate this, we tested the vulnerability by attempting to log in with a SQL injection payload with successfully bypass authentication. So, try natin i-log in. So, ayan, nag-log in successful siya. So, para maayos to, papalitan natin yung code ng prepared statement. So, ito na yung prepared statement code. So, itatry natin siya. So, nag-invalid credentials siya. So, para ma-invalid yung credentials or para hindi makapasok yung mga attackers, papalitan natin siya by prepared statement. Save. We replace the insecure query with prepared statements. So, a technique that ensures user inputs are treated as plain data rather than executable SQL code. By using prepared and bind param, we prevent attackers from altering the SQL structure, making SQL injection ineffective. So, try natin. So, it says invalid credentials. After implementing prepared statements, we tested the login form again and confirmed that SQL injection attempts were no longer successful. So in conclusion, SQL injection is one of the most common and dangerous web security threats, but it can be effectively prevented by using secure coding practices. Implementing prepared statements and proper input validation ensures that user input is handled safely, protecting the database from unauthorized access and potential data breaches. As developers, it is essential to prioritize security in web application to prevent exploitation and safeguard user information.